Hey everybody, PGK Gaming here, and welcome back to another video. And today, well, I just said PGK Gaming, PGK Christ here, back with another video. Today, we are doing another gun review. We haven't done a gun review in a long time, so I thought, why don't we do some gun review, because it's been a while. And, wait, did I get any... So, okay, 1 second, I gotta see if I got any... Oh, I did get them. Okay, wait, post. Okay, I got that one. That one's kind of like, kind of, I guess. Both. Oh my gosh, did I get literally praise me on every single one of them? How's that new? Oh, because I've never... Wait. Oh, okay, that's kind of like, really? Good game. Ooh. Wait, I want to see. Oh, I like that. I'm going to use that. No, I want this. Okay. Oh, okay, so I see. Alright. Let's get right into this gun game. Oh, I forgot to tell you which one we're doing. We are doing the XR2, which, if you did not see my last video, I did some supply drops, and I got quite a few new camos, and for this I got the hallucination camo, and I also got Royal on the combat knife. And there was this gun that I forgot to show you guys that's actually the sickest thing ever. Look at this. LCAR9. Look. It's literally a moving camo. Look at that. It's moving. It's like... You can't see it, so I'm going to show you guys. Look at that. Look at that. It's moving. If you can't see it, it's moving. See, look. It's a moving camo. It's like the coolest thing ever. And if you didn't know, guys, we have done the KN44, or AK-47, whatever. But HVK will be next, and ICR1, which I really want to do so I can show off the new ice camo that I got. It was an epic camo, so that's pretty awesome. So let's get right into this video. Using the Annihilator Specialist, also known as Seraph, if you didn't know. And we have some good news and bad news. The good news is we have a goal to hit 100 subscribers, and ever since that video we've gotten one more subscriber, so that's good. Cool, we got another subscriber to the channel. Welcome to the channel. And second of all, kind of dropped my tablet. So I don't know if it'll still be working or not. It's working fine now, but soon it might be done for, which I hope that doesn't happen, because then I'll have to use my little... Okay, this gun's kind of terrible. So, yeah. Don't want that happening. I'm already losing. Okay, this gun isn't that bad. I thought I got 3 kills. Cool. Someone's using a shotgun. Good. No, not KRM. Don't think so, sir. No thanks, I'm kind of busy right now. But I will take UAV. No! Dang it. UAV, thank you. Drop them. Drop. Someone had active camo. I saw it. Oh gosh! You guys do a little gunfight over there. I'll kill all of you. Merciless, everybody. Wait, I want to nuked out. I want to get nuked out. Oh gosh! No! Gosh, I was going for the nuked out. I literally needed like 10 more kills and I would have gotten nuked out. Or you get nuclears a 30 kill streak. Hallucination, everybody. Common camo for the XR2. It's very common camo. But I did get monochrome, which I like a lot. I got it for the Brecci, the Gorgon, the BRM, something else. Good. Oh gosh. Oh, not today. I don't think so. Well, it was a kill, but I mean, I don't think so. No! No. Gosh dang it. 29 kills. 29 kills. Wow, one burst. I wasn't expecting. This gun's auto burst, which is really weird. I like this gun. That's just weird. Alright guys, so for Black Ops 3, we have 2 new things coming to the channel. We will be doing a search and destroy series on our channel. We will be doing local and Xbox Live mode, and online. Oh, rocket launcher! Don't think so. Oh gosh! Dang it. 34 kills, that was easy. This gun's OP. Alright, want the last kill to be Annihilator trick shot. We're gonna do it. Over here. Shoot. Gosh dang it. You're gonna hit it. Wait, we gotta hit it. Dang it. One sec. Alright everybody, I'm back, and sorry about thing that there was just some stuff going on, so sorry. I'll blow up this car. Boom! I got the kill, that was hilarious. I want that to be the last kill, just someone dying, getting blown up. It should be funny. Okay, so we're gonna get one more kill. That's what we're gonna do. Need a sniper, okay? Do I have any sniper classes? SPG 100, perfect. I want to hit a trick shot for the last kill. Alright. I guess I'm not going to hit a trick shot, but I can still do this. Dang it. Oh, jeez. Wait. Boom. Boom. How about that? That was 40 and 7. Trick shot. Hit it. Turn around. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you did enjoy, make sure to leave a like. See you guys later. Bye.